Okay, I've got my 4 batteries here, charging. You can hear the sound right now. It's really quiet. So there is the MPPT disconnect. I need to find the switch for that. Then we got the charge controller, and here's the hybrid inverter. Right now, I've got loads out, so I'm charging some loads in the house right now. And then I've got the grid off, the inverter disconnect, and then this is for the charge controller. So that's the current state. This is what it's doing right now. Not much. But I just want you to hear, if I turn the grid on, hear how loud this gets. Take some time. There we go. So that's what it sounds like.